Wow, welcome my viewers. This is your teacher Pascal or Mr. Distinctions. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click on the subscription button. Also, click on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you get to know. On this channel, we learn all the compulsory subjects. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you keep on following me, especially those who will be writing the 2025 school certificate exams. Okay, so as you can see, I want to give you the overview of mathematics paper 1, for the 2025 GCE. Please make sure you see the format. It is very important to note the format of the exams actually your friends wrote, so that you can predict, you can try by all means to predict how your exam is going to be. Okay, so this is mathematics paper 1, and I'm going to take you through all the questions for this paper so that you get the overview of the paper. All right, so as you can see, we are having this question as our first question. Let me just show you. We are having this question as our first question, which of course was talking about simplification, and of which by now you know that in each paper for mathematics paper 1, there is always this question for simplifying a given equation, so to say. All right, and then talking of the second question, we are having this question. As you can see, this question actually, if you check in all the papers in mathematics paper 1, you're going to find one question talking about evaluation. So you can see we are having this question asking us to evaluate it. Okay, I'm sure you're able to see. If you're not able to see, let me just zoom it. Okay, we're having this one at the first question, which is of course asking us to simplify. In case you're taking note of these questions, then the second question, we've been asked to evaluate. This is 4, this is 3, and then inside the square root, we're having 6/8. Okay, I'm just giving you the overview. Make sure tuitions are going on. If you want to join, text me 0976 97 58 98. 0976 97 58 98. Tuitions are going on, and especially those to those who are writing the 2025 school certificate exam, make sure you text me on that number. I'm having power of materials which I want you to be using. This is question 3, asking us to factorize completely. As you can see, these are common questions, and of which you need to go through thoroughly in these questions. All right, so we're having this question as our question 4, asking us to solve the this given equation. Okay, we're having 1/2x squared minus 8 is equal to 0. All right, then what was the fifth question? This is the question, and by now I believe that you know that in each and every paper there is this question. In fact, mathematics paper 1 is just the same. It's just the same. They just change the numbers. Hope you're able to see. And then you can even see this topic, this question, which is question 6, based on the topic of dividends and and shares. And then we're having question 7, which is about AP. I'm sure you're able to tell now to say in paper 1, there's AP, in paper 2, there's GP. Okay, we're having question 8, which is about matrices. And I'm sure as now you know how to go about these. These questions are very, very important. If you don't know, please come through. Text me on that same number, and we are going to help you. We're having probability as our 9th question. Okay, I hope you are able to see. Okay, we're having this one, the question based on numbers, real numbers, prime numbers, odd numbers, and whatnot. I'm sure you're able to see question 4. And then we're having this powerful question, and I'm sure by now you're able to solve questions concerning sectors. All right, we're having question 11 under 8th geometry, where we are told to find the difference between B and C. And I'm sure as now you are acquainted with that. You need to make sure that you are. These are questions which you shouldn't even actually failing to be solving if you are really want actually preparing yourself for the exam. Okay, we have been the questions under estimation. I'm sure you are able to see as our question 12. All right. I'm trying to zoom so that everyone is able to see. Okay, we're having this powerful question, and this question mostly carries actually 4 marks. Please make sure you go through this topic thoroughly. We're having question 14. where we are taught to actually measure where we are having trigonometry, paper 1 trigonometry, and these questions are very simple. Please make sure you get what you must do is that get this paper and try it just by yourself. Try it if you can actually get it. If you want these papers, you can text me on the same number 0976 97 58 98. Immediately you join the lessons, I'm going to give you these papers. Even if you're not joining the lessons, I'm selling pamphlets, power pamphlets, which I want you to be using as you've remained with the limited time. Please text me, you'll get these papers. We have in question 15 there. As you can see, we have in question 16, asking us to find the integral of that equation which we've been given. We have in this question under transformation. Okay, we have in question 17 under what? We have in question 17 under bearings, and of which I know that these questions are very simple. If you are not simple as now to you, please don't even waste time to join our tuitions. Don't even waste time to join our tuitions. We have in question 18 here. We have in question 19. I just want to give you the overview. I don't want to make the video to be long. We have in question 19, and I'm sure you're taking note of these questions. That one is under functions. We have in question 20. We have in question 20 there. And finally, we have in question 21. Question 22 there. And the most important question as our last question, based on what? Velocity time graphs. Please make sure you test yourself. I want to give you a certain guidance. If you join the tuition, I'm telling you, you're going to be given, even if you are okay, even if you're not joining the tuitions, even if you're just buying the pamphlets, I'm going to give you the guidance on how to actually prepare yourself using these past papers. These past papers are very, very important. Text me now on WhatsApp, and then I'll actually help you in terms of the preparations. I'm going to record the video concerning mathematics paper 2. Giving you the overview of mathematics paper 2. I'm having it here. I just don't want to record a long video. I don't want to make this video to be long. So check the next video. You're going to find this paper, which is of course paper 2. Thank you very much. I hope you're going to join the tuitions. The number is 0976 97 58 98. Okay, 0976 97 58 98. Text me. This is your teacher Pasco or Mr. Distinctions. I'm telling you, you will never go wrong. You will never go wrong. Prepare yourself with us. Your friends who wrote this paper, actually who wrote the 2025 GCE are testifying. I want you to be among those people who will be testifying upon seeing good results. Thank you very much.